Hi everyone, I'm Catherine and this is GraCee Designs. So today we're going to be doing some machine embroidery. We're going to make these adorable magnets and these very cute pins. So let's get started and get this machine embroidery going, and we will make these adorable little magnets and these pins.
Here's what you'll need: the 5x7 embroidery frame, embroidery thread and bobbin, one piece of felt, magnets, I have 2 sizes, pins, a glue gun, a little cardboard to put that on, a big scissor and clippers, and I have a needle and thread in case you want to stitch your pin, and of course an embroidery machine. I'm using the Brother PE800. So first we're going to put our felt in our frame. I love working with felt. You can make such quick and easy projects. I'll just tighten it up, and then we'll go over to the machine. There we are ready to go. Of course, you can make this pattern on any machine that has a 5x7 frame. I think using a smaller frame would make the magnet and pins too small. This is the PE800, and now I'm going to select the pattern, and then we're going to embroider it, and as you can see, it shows the number of stitches and the time it will take to make these gingerbread items. I am going to start this project with a full bobbin. You have to put the bobbin in with the thread over like the letter P, and then thread it through, and then we'll cover it up. Now I'll attach the frame to the machine, and we'll get started with the first color. You can do this in one color, you can do this in the amount of colors that are required for the pattern. What's great about machine embroidery is that you can change the colors. You could do it all in one color, whatever preference you have. Here's a quick look on how to thread the machine. It's such an easy machine to thread, and of course it has the automatic needle threader, which when using so many different colors you really need to have that feature. I like to place my finger right there at the thread top to hold it as I'm pulling it through, so it makes it a little easier. So let's get stitching, and this will take a little while. I'm going to do the changing of the colors, cutting of the thread when needed, and before you know it, we will have this pattern finished. I got this pattern from embroidery.com, and I would imagine you could also do the entire pattern on a towel or for a picture, but I thought it would be a good idea to make these pins and magnets from each little picture on this pattern. Going to change to my next color, and we'll continue with the embroidery. And before you know it, we will have the entire design completed. Now we're going to cut the excess threads. I'll use the small clippers for this, and then we can take it out of the frame. I like to cut the threads when it's still in the frame. I think it's easier. Cleaning up the design can be relaxing, or sometimes it can be challenging. We also have to do the back side. Well, the bobbin thread has to be clipped as well. And now we're finished. I'm going to take the felt out of the frame, and now we will begin cutting out each of the little gingerbread items. We'll use the large scissor for this, but be careful because there is not a lot of room in between each of these little pictures. I'll be making a few magnets and a couple of pins. What's nice is they don't have to be perfect, and you can shape them the way you want. If you want maybe the gingerbread to just be a round pin, or magnet, or if you want to, actually cut out the shape, whatever you like. And now I'm finished with the cutting, and we will warm up that glue gun and attach the magnets and the pins. You don't need that much glue. Just a little dot will do it. And press firmly and let it dry. The pins as well, just put a little glue on there and try to make the opening at the bottom. Works better, I think. And if you want to stitch the pin on to make sure it doesn't fall off, you can do that. Sometimes I'll put a little stitch on the pin because I've had felt pins in the past of my own I've bought from other places, and they did fall off, and I had to re-glue them and also put a stitch. And then you have these adorable pins to dress up your wardrobe for the holidays, and these cute little magnets to decorate your home. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you have a joyous holiday season.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And join me next time on GraCee Designs.